Why Srila Prabhupada is Jagat Guru? Because of his qualities. Srila Prabhupada used to joke saying many of them have never left their village but they call themselves Jagat Guru. But Prabhupada actually, Jagat Guru, Prabhupada said this, his Guru has given him the whole of the western parts of the world, Prabhu Datta Desh. Even when Mahaprabhu said his name will spread in every town and village, even Prabhupada was having hard time convincing his god brothers that this is just not a poetic statement. This is actually words of Mahaprabhu, which is a prediction. So Prabhupada, you can see, a pure devotee had so much faith on these words of Mahaprabhu. He went crossing the ocean, having heart attack, seasickness, and so much faith. And pure devotee. Like one time, Prabhupada told his disciples, Bhavananda Prabhu, that Krishna asked him to go to this earth and spread Krishna consciousness, and Prabhupada actually said, "Oh, I don't want to go to this horrible place." But Krishna told him that you go and you write these books and you come back. Just do that much for me, like that. So we can see it's a Nitya Siddha Paramahamsa sent personally by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It's like modern day Vyasadeva. It's like my name is Shastrakrit Das. When I asked the meaning, my guru and other senior devotees told me Shastrakrit is a name for Veda Vyas. Also, Prabhupada is like the Vyasadeva for this modern age. He wrote all the Vedas in English. So Prabhupada has all the symptoms, all the qualities, all the qualifications of a pure devotee. And palena parichiyate. We're not just saying this out of sentiment. We can see, one old person in 10 years, what he's done. It's just like nobody can understand. Everybody is bewildered by so much compassion, so much bhakti, so much wisdom is given. So this is why we call Srila Prabhupada, our founder Acharya, as Jagat Guru, because actually he delivered so many souls and he's continuing. Like I saw one Indian man coming to Prabhupada's murti and he was crying so much and praying so much. So I asked him, because he's just a congregation member, so I said, why you have so much feelings for Prabhupada? And this person told me, Prabhupada is delivered millions and millions of souls, is still continuing to deliver, and my son is a useless rascal, has no devotional quality, so I'm praying to Prabhupada to also deliver one more soul, my son. So even just a congregation member can see the potency and the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. So this is, I can speak all day about why we call him Jagat Guru, but this is just some of the thoughts and points, why we call him Jagat Guru, Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.